Hi guys, it's Amanda from Aura's Amazing Herbal, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about my favorite product, Take a Breather Herbal Steam. So it comes in this sweet little reusable tin, and then inside of the tin is a compostable bag sealed with the herbs inside along with the instructions. So herbal steams are a really great non-invasive way to get the phytonutrients from herbs into the skin. So this blend is olive, thyme, rosemary, chamomile, basil, lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus. All the herbs are organic. So herbalists have been using herbal steams for thousands of years. Not only are they great for the skin, they're also great for respiratory health, especially right now. A lot of places we're still wearing masks, and we are approaching winter, which can be a little bit tough on the skin. So we really like this specific blend for acne, maskne, rosacea, eczema. If you've got psoriasis on your face, is also a great option for the face. And like I said, supporting respiratory health is really important, especially as we move into cold season. So if you've never used an herbal steam before, they're super simple to use. You will need a face oil. This is my preferred pick. Lightweight Daily Nourish. You also need your Take a Breather and a kettle of hot water. You can also do this on your stove directly into a pot of boiling water, but I'm going to show you with a bowl today to make it a little bit easier. So the first thing you're going to do, this is fresh from the kettle, super hot. Pour in the hot water. And then you want to use about a quarter cup of herbs to about 4 cups of water. So this is about 2 cups of water. So I'm going to use about half of this. Usually when I do this, I do it in my bathroom, just in case I make a little mess. There we go. So the goal is you have your herbs and hot water inside of the bowl. Now obviously you can see the steam leaking out. What you want to do instead is you're going to use I just use a kitchen towel, and you're going to create a canopy over your head. So basically bring the whole towel over and then cover the face like this so that the steam stays underneath the towel. It kind of catches it to help make sure that it's going directly under the skin, and take a few deep breaths. You can stay here for 5 to 15 minutes. Take a pause. It's a great time to listen to a book or a podcast. We hope you and your skin love it. Thanks.